MT0 030101. First, we're going to read or pronounce the list of words. Adventitious breath sounds. A. Febrile. N. Isochoria. Apical pulse. Apnea. Auscultation. Blood pressure or BP. Bradycardia. Okay? Now we're going to do the meaning of each term or each phrase. Now this is a little different from the previous one because we're not dividing the words by term, but you're just writing as it is found in medical literature with no divisions, okay? And so also the definitions are a little longer. And then, for instance, abnormal long sounds, which would be the first one, and the answer is adventitious, the point means space, breath, and the point means space, and S in sound. So adventitious breath sounds, okay? So it gives you a little help there. So you don't have to make that much of an effort to memorize the phrases, okay? So let's start. Abnormal long sounds. Adventitious breath sounds, okay? Now, without fever. And when it's just one word, we give you the two first letters, okay? Because these definitions are longer, so we give you the two first letters. Without fever is AF, A, febrile. Inequality in size in the pupils of the eyes. And isochoria refers to the apex of a structure. Apical pulse. The absence of breathing, no breathing. Apnea. Listening for sounds produced within the body. Auscultation. Resistance of arterioles and capillaries. Blood pressure or BP. Now let's put here so you know exactly how to do it, or BP. That way you will know exactly what we're asking for. The last one is the slowness of the heartbeat. Bradycardia. Okay, so we finish our first set. Let's do the next one. The set is called MT0 030201, and the list of words are bronchiole, broncho-vesicular breath sounds, convection, core temperature, costal thoracic breathing, crackles, cyanosis, diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. Okay, now we're going to do the meanings. Okay, the last division of the bronchial tree. Bronchiole. Pertaining to the bronchi and alveoli. Broncho-vesicular breath sounds. Transmission of heat in a liquid or gas. Convection. Temperature of deep tissues of the body. Core temperature. And let's put this without the last period, because the period means only there's a space, okay? Okay, so use of the external intercostal muscles. costal, thoracic breathing. The sudden opening of collapsed airways. Crackle or crackles, right? A bluish discoloration of the skin. Cyanosis. 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 Okay. Contraction, relaxation of the diaphragm. Now here we're going to correct this because I think it's a little diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. We're going to put here like this, diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. That way we know exactly what we need. Okay, so contraction or relaxation of the diaphragm. So this is diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. Okay, we got it all. Perfect. Now let's do the third one. The code for this is MT0 030301. And the list of words is diastolic pressure, dysrhythmia, eupnea, exhalation or expiration, febrile, Glasgow Coma Scale, hyperoxygenation, and hyperpyrexia. Okay, we're going to do a little corrections here in the meanings. This is diastolic pressure, dysrhythmia, eupnea, exhalation or expiration, febrile Glasgow Coma Scale, hyperoxygenation, and hyperpyrexia. Okay, we're ready now for the meaning. Okay, when the ventricles of the heart are at rest. At rest, okay, at rest is diastolic pressure. Disordered or disturbed rhythm. This rhythmia. That's it. This rhythmia. Okay, that's okay. Normal, quiet breathing. Eupnea. Movement of gases from the lungs. Exhalation or expiration. Feverish. Febrile. In a neurological impaired patients to assess. This is an instrument to assess. So this is Glasgow Coma Scale. To prevent hypoxemia. And this, we give you two letters in the middle. That's why there's a hyphen at the beginning, okay? So it's hyperoxygenation. Let me see. Hyperoxygenation. An elevation of body temperature. Hyperpyrexia. Okay. Let's look at this. It's hyperoxygenation. Hyperoxygenation. Okay. There you go. All right. Okay. So we have the three set of letters, and don't forget to visit our website, which is this one. Let's see, you can see it from here. Let's put a little bit. There you go. It's www.jjcoding.com. Okay? Thanks for watching.